Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most successful cricketer in the world. With regards to his education, he's just SSLC pass out. But he has invested a lot on his batting skills. He learnt a lot. Before going to any cricket match, he used to practice a lot. He used to face a lot of ball. That's the reason he has succeeded there. Now Sachin Tendulkar is the father of cricket world. He scored 100 plus centuries. Friends, with regards to his education, he's just SSLC pass out. But he's invested a lot on his batting skills. He has invested a lot on his cricket skills. That's the reason he succeeded. Friends, in the same way, if you invest in yourself, if you invest in your skills, even you can also succeed. Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about 5 biggest learning, 5 biggest investment in your life which can change and transform your life. Let's get started. The first one is invest in yourself, invest in your skills. Friends, if you want to grow, if you want to create wealth, if you want to succeed, nobody will come and help you. Only one person can help you, which is you. That's the reason you should learn, you should educate yourself, you should invest on your skills. Friends, learning is a process that never ends. If you don't learn, if you don't upgrade yourself, friends, in this competitive world, you will be out of the game. That's the reason you should learn, you should educate yourself. Friends, if you look at the successful people from any industry, still they will learn, still they will educate themselves. That's the reason they are successful. Friends, learning is the biggest earning. Nowadays, more and more people, they want to earn more money, but they are not ready to learn. Learning is the biggest earning. Friends, so many investment experts, they will say that if you invest your money in a systematic manner, so that you can create a huge wealth in a long term. Friends, there is no doubt about it. If you invest your money in a systematic manner, so that you can create a huge wealth in a long term. But if you have invested less money, it doesn't make big difference for you. Friends, I would like to give one example. Let's say that you are investing 1000 for every month and you are going to invest for next 10 years. Let's say that you are going to get a 25% of return. After 10 years, you are going to create a corpus of around 5 lakh rupees. In same time, if you are investing 10,000 and you are going to invest for next 10 years, if you are getting 25% of return, you are going to create a corpus of 50 lakh rupees. In the same time, let's say that you have invested 1 lakh rupees, you are going to create a corpus of 5 crore rupees. Friends, if you earn more money so that you can invest more money, if you invest more money so that you can create a huge wealth in a long term. Friends, if you want to earn more money, first you should invest on yourself. You should invest in your skills. Friends, whichever the domain you are working now, identify the high demand skills and learn them. Take the certification so that you can get a high paid job. Along with that, nowadays there are many skills are in high demand. The skills like video editing, digital marketing, software development, these skills are in high demand. If you learn them, so that you will get a high paid job. Friends, learning is the biggest earning. The second biggest investment is learn the art of investment. Friends, as soon as you started to work, you should invest your money in a systematic manner. Friends, nowadays nobody wants to work for till 60. Everybody wants to achieve the financial freedom as early as possible. So that's the reason if you invest your money in an equity market in a systematic manner, so that you can create a huge wealth in a long term. Along with that, you should understand the power of compounding. So when you invest early, so that power of compounding can create your miracles in your investment journey. That's the reason you should invest your money in an equity market once you started to work. The third biggest investment is avoid debt trap and bad investment. Friends, nowadays more and more people, they are earning good money. They are earning 1 lakh, 2 lakh per month. But if you ask them what is your savings and investment, they don't have any savings and investment because they have fallen into debt traps. They have done bad investment. That's the reason they don't have any savings and investment. Friends, nowadays many people, they having too much of confusion with regards to how to manage their money. Friends, I would like to give one example. Let's say that you are earning 1 lakh per month, wherein 30% of money has to be used for household expenses. The expenses like rent, groceries, etc. Remaining 30% of money has to be utilized for EMIs. Let's say that you want to buy property. Let's say that you want to buy house. So 30% of money has to be utilized for EMIs. Remaining 40% of money, it has to be invested into equity market for long-term goals. The goals like retirement, child marriage, child education. So you plan your money according to this so that you can lead a comfortable financial life. Fourth one is buy a right health insurance and term insurance. Friends, nowadays health insurance and term insurance are very, very important because the world is all about uncertainty. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Friends, let's say that if you don't have a right health insurance, if you are hospitalized, if something happens to you, if you are hospitalized, the bills are very high. So if you don't have right health insurance, you need to sell out your all savings and investment, then you need to pay your all the medical bills. That's the reason you should have right health insurance. Along with that, you should have a right term insurance. If you are married, if you have a child and kid, you should have a right term insurance. When you have a right term insurance, in case something happens to bread earner, who will take care of your family? Who will take care of your child marriage and education? If there is a good term insurance, so that your family will be getting a good financial protection. That's the reason you should have right health insurance and term insurance. Friends, in the life, we should always hope for the best, but in the same time, we should always prepare for the worst also. Many people, they will avoid health insurance and term insurance as they think that now we are young, so we don't require it. Friends, when you don't require it, then only you should buy it, because when you want it, nobody will give it. Along with that, so when you are young, when you buy that health insurance and term insurance, you need to pay less premium. Along with that, you will be getting a higher sum insured. The once you become elder, you have to pay higher premium, you will be getting less sum assured. Friends, the last one is the investing into physical and mental health. Friends, Rakesh Junjunwala, he is one of the most successful investor. He told many times, one of the worst investment in my life, which is into health. So friends, that's the reason we should have good physical and mental health. With regards to physical health, you should go for a half an hour walking, physical exercise. So you can go for a gym so that you can maintain a good physical fitness. So friends, so if you are having a crores of rupees, but if you don't have good physical health, if you don't have good mental health, it doesn't make any sense for you. That's the reason you should maintain a good physical and mental health. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you summarize the point, the first one is invest in yourself, invest in your skills. The second one is learn the art of investment. The third one is avoid debt trap. The fourth one is right health insurance and term insurance. The fifth one is the maintain a good physical and mental health. Friends, so if you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you so much.